Looking to navigate the urban jungle with ease or seeking a greener commute? You're in the right place for the ultimate electric scooter and bicycle buying guide. First up, safety your top priority. Make sure your ride has solid brakes, bright lights, and stable handling. And remember, only trust reputable manufacturers who stick to the safety script. Next, consider your purpose. Commuting? Go for a ride with a robust battery and maybe some suspension. Delivering goods? You'll need power and space. Just for fun? There's great value to be found. Don't overlook the after-sales service. A lengthy warranty can mean a world of difference, ensuring your ride keeps rolling smoothly. And before you hit buy, take a close look at product images and sift through those real user reviews. They're your best insight into how your potential new ride handles the real world. Armed with these tips, you're all set to make an informed choice. Find your perfect electric scooter or bicycle and transform your travel today.